Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello, gamers. In this video, I will explain how to play Hades 2 on your Mac. Good news, Hades 2 now officially supports Apple Silicon Macs, meaning you can install and play it directly. To get started, make sure your Mac has an M-series chip, such as an M1 or M2, and that your Mac OS is version 12 or newer. This ensures the best and most straightforward gaming experience without needing complex workarounds. For native play, your Mac needs to meet a few key specifications. You'll want at least 8 GB of RAM to ensure the game runs smoothly. Additionally, prepare for 10 GB of available storage space for the game installation. An Apple M1 processor or any later M-series chip is recommended for the best performance and visual fidelity, providing a fantastic experience. If your Mac doesn't meet the native requirements or you prefer not to install the game, cloud gaming is an excellent alternative. Services such as Boosteroid and Shadow PC allow you to stream Hades 2 directly to your Mac. This means the game runs on powerful remote servers, and you simply receive the video feed. A stable, high-speed internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, is crucial for a seamless experience. To truly enhance your Hades 2 experience, consider a few optimization tips. First, adjust the in-game graphics settings to best suit your Mac's capabilities, prioritizing frame rate for smoother action. Many players find an external controller, like an Xbox or PlayStation gamepad, offers superior control. Finally, close any unnecessary background applications to free up system resources, ensuring your Mac dedicates maximum power to the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.